With my site ready for Breakdance, I need to install Breakdance. I mentioned to you earlier, usually when you install these free builders, you go to plugins and you click on add plugin, and then you'll search for it here. The most famous one, of course, is Elementor. So if I select here Elementor, it's going to give me, come on, there we go, 10+ million active installations. Woo-wee. And then you install it from here. But, Bobby, if you select Breakdance, you're going to find that it isn't here. And that may dissuade you from, this is too much effort. It's not so much effort. It's very convenient. Let me show you how to do that. Open a new tab and select breakdance.com or follow the link in the description. Highly appreciate it. And from here, you have to log in. I'll do this from the beginning. So I'll select Get Breakdance at the top, and even the free one will appear here. Okay, some little pop-up, close that out, and here is the free version. You just select Get Started. Once you have select Get Started, we're going to create an account. Email address, jp@w4b.io, and my name is JP and my last name. There we go, and I select Free Download. Please wait. And there we go. You have access now. So we select here Breakdance Free, which is currently at 2.6.1. Breakdance 2.7 is out already. It says it's out, but not yet really available. So I click here and this will download Breakdance 2.6.1 zip for us. And then select Copy License as well. Yes, there is a license. And if you ever worry about that, you will find it again at the customer portal. So select Customer Portal just so that you can see how that looks. And every time you go to Breakdance, all you do is you log in, you go to your dashboard, and you will see license keys over here. And that is where you're going to find the license key as well. Currently, we have 0 activations for unlimited. Yes, the free version gives you unlimited sites, and it expires never. Good job. And this is the license key that I had just copied. With all of this done, we've downloaded the plugin. We've got the license key. Let's hop back into WordPress. And this time we're going to select Upload Plugin. So from plugins, you can go to Add Plugin. If you haven't done so yet, select Upload Plugin. And then I'll just click Browse. I'll select this one and then Install Now. Activate Plugin.